Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be using my Rubik's Cube. Sorry, I just did. So I'm going to be making it into a what do you call it again? A checkered thing. So this is how you do checkered. It looks like. And then a basic way to do it is like this, and then you twist it up. Not exactly twist it. Do it again, and then go down. And I don't know if you hear music or not, but that's from my mom. And then that again. This. You just keep repeatedly doing that until actually, hold on. And then mine was just orange and green. But when it reaches to something like this, you should be pretty good. And then you go back to this, there, and then this, and then there. That's a basic way to do it all. And then this picture, this is just me coloring Toothless. It was actually me drawing Toothless. I just didn't finish coloring it. That's because I decided to watch it. I mean, draw it. And so yeah, I was just doing a Rubik's Cube video. Oh, and this one was the Christmas one. And here's my stand, my only stand actually. Look at my other ones. So this one is my mini Rubik's Cube. It didn't work yet at all actually. Tried solving it, but like it's a bit hard to turn it a little bit like this. I'm actually trying. So small this is, it's kind of getting stuck a lot. But this one's my small one, one of the slowest one. This one is basically this, except the stickers are ripped off. I think there's others that are ripped. This is ripped as well. And for some reason it gets stuck, and I almost dropped that. I don't know why this gets stuck a lot. Maybe because it's just like how old this is. Don't know how old this is actually. And then this is one of my other favorite ones. It's the neon one. I've been stuck trying to solve it. I almost reached orange. I just wish I could put it like right here. This one right here. And then this one over here. And then I'm pretty sure I already said this, but if you hear music in the background, that is actually my mom, and I just noticed my lamp almost fell. Which is why it was so dark. I didn't know. Blind! Anyway. So yeah, this is supposed to so yeah, this is the neon one of my favorites. But this one is my favorite. The neon and the Christmas one I got for my present Christmas gift. Now I got the rest of me. So yeah, this is just like a pretty quick video on my Rubik's Cubes. Yeah, so yeah. Comment down below on which ones are your favorite. It's either this mini one, I'm just gonna say the ripped stickers, or the Christmas Rubik's Cube that I got, just the present Rubik's Cube I came my newest, or the neon one. Comment down below which one of these are your favorites. Okay? Anyway, bye YouTube.